Alright, so I'm out here in Pattaya, Thailand. Is this too windy? So I'm out here in Pattaya, Thailand with my medical glasses, and I want to test out the waterproofness of them. They're rated IPX4, but how waterproof are they really? Luckily here in Thailand, they're celebrating Songkran right now. Well, technically, Songkran's over. It's only a 3-day holiday. But today's the 4th day. I'm in Pattaya, where they celebrate Songkran for a whole week. And what better place to test out the waterproofness of the medical glasses than right here at the Water Festival in Thailand. Before I head over to celebrate in some of these streets, let's head over to the mall first. I need to pick up the printer papers, and I just want to get some shots of my medical glasses before they break. I honestly don't have any left to survive Songkran. So let's head over to the mall.
For this video, I'm using my Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 headliners.
Alright, made it out to the mall, Terminal 21. It looks like I've already been celebrating Songkran, but no, this is just normal sweat. It's hot here. Just have to decide cool AC, try to hopefully have some photo printer, and then head over to Soy 6 and party Songkran.
Before the chaos starts, I'm hunting for some instant photo paper here in Terminal 21. It's the perfect spot to appreciate the 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. We're talking high-res stills and a massive jump to 3K video at 30 frames per second. The indoor lighting here really shows off how crisp the sensor is, but in a few minutes, crisp is about to meet soaked.
Alright, so no luck finding the photo printer here at Terminal 21. I checked out 2 camera stores and neither of them had it. There is another mall on the way back, Central Festival. I'm going to try to check that out, but I might be wet because I'm going to head over to Soy 6 first, go celebrate the Songkran Festival, Water Festival, and we'll see. We'll see if I actually make it in there because I don't want to go in there all soaked. Hopefully these glasses survive. What's nice is that it's not that crazy today, Songkran. The last 3 days I've been out here. I'll put a video here or in the description somewhere. But it has been absolutely horrible. Since I step outside, I'm usually soaked. Right now, I'm only soaked from sweat. So, not that bad. But once I get to Soy 6, 7 and 8, it's over. So, let's head over that way. I might actually have to pick up a water gun. I don't have a water gun yet still. I've been too busy trying to film. But, let's head over there and check it out. Alright, so before I head down Soy 6, and just in case my glasses die, I'm going to transfer the footage that I got so far onto my phone, so I at least have something to make this video. Otherwise, we'll see. Hopefully these metas survive. We're about to find out. Oh no. Oh no. We'll see how long these meta glasses survive. Hopefully they'll make it through. Okay, good luck.
Alright, here we go, Soy 6. These Ray-Ban Metas are rated IPX4, which technically means they can handle splashes from any direction. But Songkran in Pattaya isn't a splash, it's a monsoon. I'm testing the limits of that water resistance today. Meta says to not submerge them, so let's see if 1,000 water guns counts as light rain.
Not going well. My gun broke.
The electronic stabilization is doing its best, but it has its limits. You can smooth out a walk, but once you start flinching from ice water to the face, the software just can't compensate for that much sudden movement. It's a good reminder that your neck is still the primary gimbal here. I really wish I had brought my Oakley Meta Vanguards for this. They're built with an IP67 rating, meaning they're actually dust tight and fully waterproof for short submersions. For this Pattaya Songkran, those would have been the perfect choice.
Oh shit, I can't! Alright. We'll see how this goes. So far, that's not working. We're just getting too much.
One thing that surprises me is the audio. There's a 5 mic array on these, and even with the thumping bass and people screaming around me, it does a solid job of picking up all the sounds. It's not just about what you see, it's the spatial audio that really captures the madness of the street.
Alright, I'm gonna go down and walk right back down again.
Meta says these are rated for about 4 hours of mixed use, but even with the Thailand heat and constant recording, the battery is holding up perfectly. I haven't even had to pop them back in the charging case. Honestly, getting blasted with ice water every 30 seconds is probably keeping these glasses cool. It's basically unintentional liquid cooling.
Alright, so I got good news, I got bad news. The good news is they are still working. I can still take photos and videos with them. Here, there's the video right there. But speakers done. Like my left speaker is completely dead. The right speaker is making some weird sounds. But yeah, let's head back to the condo, dry these out, see if that fixes it any. But I kind of expected this to happen, so. So try these out. There's the video right there. But the speaker is done. Like my left speaker is completely dead. The right speaker is making some weird sounds. So right now, I'm gonna head back to the condo. Let's let these glasses dry out and see if that fixes it any. But I knew this was gonna happen.
All right, so we're gonna sit this outside on the balcony and let it dry out in the sun, and hopefully it comes back to life. I hope. Oh man, I hope this thing works again. But here's a quick shot of where I'm staying. There's the mall right across the street at the festival. But yeah, let's hope that after the Meta glasses dry out, that they work again. Alright, so great news. After letting the Meta glasses sit outside for 3 hours and drying up, everything seems to be working again. The speakers, the microphones, the camera. But before everything started working normal again, the left speaker was completely done. There was no sound even coming out of it. And the right speaker sounded muffled and was making crackling noises, so I had no hope for these glasses. So I'm actually surprised that they're working perfectly fine again. But yeah, let's go ahead and just test it out real quick. Hey Meta, tell me about Songkran.
You're all set. Just say, hey Meta, play something.
Okay, let's try that again. It's still Meta AI. Hey Meta, tell me about Songkran.
Sure. Songkran is Thailand's New Year, a 3-day water fight to cleanse and renew.
How long is it celebrated in Pattaya?
It's usually celebrated from April 13th to 15th.
I'm in Pattaya though. How long is it celebrated here?
It's usually celebrated from April 13th to 15th, but in Pattaya, it can last up to a week.
The touchpad wasn't working earlier, but it's working fine now. It was actually taking photos and videos earlier, so that was, I guess, fine. That was never an issue. But yeah, waterproof. Be careful with your Meta glasses. That's all I'm gonna say. Maybe if it was just misting or just light rain, I would be okay with it, but I would rather just put them away and be safe. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions about the Meta glasses or what you think about Songkran. I actually have video every day this week during Songkran, different camera comparisons and different videos, just like the one I'm doing today. But yeah, I'll link them below or somewhere. They'll be somewhere. I don't know where. They'll be somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my dry fit clothes because I'm about to head right back outside to try to grab something to eat. And I know I'm gonna get wet again. I just want to eat, man. Sweet.